If your job requires you to constantly have a pen, pencil, or marker on hand, you already know the struggle. You put it down for 2 seconds and it completely vanishes into thin air. Behind your ear falls off, and in your pocket stabs you or gets buried. But I finally found the ultimate genius fix. This is a quick drop magnetic pencil holder, and it is unlike any standard pencil clip you've seen before. What makes it so original is that it has a two-piece magnetic design. You get this heavy-duty metal clip that attaches absolutely anywhere, and a flexible rubberized sleeve that slides right into your favorite writing tool. The convenience here is unmatched. You can clip the base to your shirt, collar, your pocket, a clipboard, your lanyard, or your tool bed. And because the sleeve is incredibly stretchy, it doesn't just hold the pencil it comes with. It fits standard pens, markers, crayons, and even thick Carpenter pencils. It completely adapts to whatever you use daily. But here's where the magic happens. When you need to write, you don't have to fumble with a tight, annoying pocket clip. You just pull, the magnet releases instantly. When you're done, you just bring it close and it snaps right back into place. So you can literally do it blindly. Keep your focus exact where it needs to be. This completely eliminates wasted time. It's affordable, widely durable, and genuinely a game changer for your workflow.